Jatend migao malo kod dongruok ma bombe Alice Wahome olando chwalo chenro magedo e bombe migero e lony manyasani e Konza e kaunti ma Machakos e nyasi mar yango kar gedo manyasani mageto abedo kod puonj, nonro kod dongo sekta mar gedo. Jatend migao no olero ni gero bomano e tielo mokwongo biro mwonyo siling bilion 2.7 ka duto te nyalo biro romo bilion 9. Jatelo mochung' ne chenro mar Konza no John Paul Okwiri bende owacho ni chenro mar gedo no dhi nyime makare kaluwore kod sir mar piny owacho.
Phase 1's cost is about 2.7 billion shillings. We are looking at maybe 9 billion today if I had the money for the entire project. But that is likely to change if we don't take off the whole, project together. And it's really not possible to take off together. We already have designs done, feasibility studies complete, and that is, of course, money we have put in. How do we raise the money? We are looking at exchequer, the treasury, and possibly PPP model.
We can confidently say that we are ready. You are able to see that all the infrastructure work has been completed. This week on Sunday we'll be getting connected to the power. Kenya Power is going to connect us to power, and that means we'll be able to power all the plants that are here and all the facilities.